In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookkeep on FreshBooks, an intuitive platform designed specifically for small businesses. First, let's get you set up. Before diving into the platform, make sure you have all your financial documents handy. This is crucial because you'll be organizing and tracking your income and expenses efficiently. FreshBooks is excellent at automating tasks, and you'll have the option to manually add expenses, create invoices, and manage projects, which is a great way to keep a close eye on your business's financial health. To get started, head over to the FreshBooks website and create your account. You can do this by signing up with your email, or you can choose to log in using your Apple ID or Google account, whichever you find most convenient. Once your account is set up, the next important step is to connect your business bank account. By doing so, FreshBooks will automatically import your transactions, making it much easier to keep your books current without additional manual input. With your bank connected, you'll find all your transaction data imported into FreshBooks. Now, it's time to categorize these transactions. This step is essential for understanding your financial flow, where your money comes from, and where it's headed. Once that's in place, head over to the expenses section within the software and start recording your expenses. Select New Expense to either add an expense manually or upload a receipt image. It's totally up to you. Be sure to fill in all the details like the description, applicable taxes, and configure the expense settings appropriately. Moving on, let's create some invoices. FreshBooks excels at helping you generate and send professional invoices to your clients. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a steady cash flow and ensuring timely payments. Now that invoices are handled, we can look at time tracking and project management. If you run a service-based business, tracking billable hours for your projects is a game changer. You can manage tasks specific to each project and keep an eye on both time and costs. If there are any manual adjustments needed, you can easily make them by creating journal entries in the accounting section. This flexibility ensures your books are as accurate as possible. Finally, take advantage of FreshBooks reporting tools by generating and reviewing financial statements regularly. Access comprehensive reports from the dashboard or the reports section for a detailed overview of your financial performance. Regularly analyzing statements like the income statement and balance sheet helps you gauge how your business is doing and aids in making informed decisions. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering bookkeeping on FreshBooks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your books updated for a smooth sailing financial journey.